Hey everyone, and welcome to this AWS AI Foundation refresher training. If you're here, chances are you're preparing for the AWS AI Foundation certification and looking for a quick and effective way to brush up on your knowledge. Well, you're in the right place. Now, just a quick note before we dive in. This video is a refresher, not a replacement for a full course. We're going to focus on the key must-know AWS AI services, their keywords, and the types of exam questions you might face, so you can feel confident and prepared on test day. Whether you're reviewing before the exam or just want to reinforce what you've already learned, this session is designed to simplify the content and help you connect the dots quickly. All right, let's jump in and make this AWS AI stuff easy to remember, and maybe even a little fun. Let's get started. Amazon Kendra. Let's say you need to search through a mountain of documents to find accurate answers. Enter Amazon Kendra. It's an AI-powered enterprise search service that performs semantic search, meaning it understands the context of what you're looking for. Keywords: enterprise search, search across documents, semantic search, accurate search results. Example question: which AWS service is used for semantic search across enterprise documents to return accurate search results? Amazon Forecast. When it's time to predict future trends like sales, demand, or supply chain needs, you use Amazon Forecast. It performs time series forecasting using historical data to predict what's coming. Keywords: time series forecasting, predicting future demand, sales forecasting, supply chain optimization, weather impact on business. Example question: which AWS service is used to make time series predictions, such as forecasting product demand or sales trends? Amazon Code Whisperer. For developers, Amazon Code Whisperer is your AI coding buddy. It provides code suggestions and generates code from natural language prompts or existing code snippets, speeding up development. Keywords: AI-assisted code generation, code suggestions, automating code development, generating code snippets. Example question: which AWS service helps developers by providing AI-powered code suggestions based on natural language input? Amazon SageMaker Debugger. If you're training a model and something seems off, you'll need Amazon SageMaker Debugger. It allows you to monitor training, detect anomalies, and debug machine learning models in real time. Keywords: debugging ML models, detecting anomalies in training, monitoring training jobs, identifying bottlenecks. Example question: which AWS service allows you to detect anomalies and debug machine learning models during the training process? Amazon Poly Neural TTS. Earlier, we covered Amazon Poly for text-to-speech. Now, meet Amazon Poly Neural TTS. This version uses neural voice synthesis to make speech super lifelike and natural-sounding. Keywords: lifelike text-to-speech, neural voice synthesis, natural-sounding speech, high-quality voice output. Example question: which AWS service offers neural text-to-speech capabilities that produce lifelike, natural-sounding voice output? Amazon Personalize. Want to build your own Netflix-style recommendation engine? Use Amazon Personalize. It provides personalized recommendations by analyzing user behavior and preferences. Keywords: personalized recommendations, recommendation engine, customizing content for users, predicting user preferences, e-commerce recommendations. Example question: which AWS service is used to generate personalized product recommendations for users based on their past interactions? Amazon Fraud Detector. Next, Amazon Fraud Detector. As the name suggests, it helps identify fraudulent activities, especially useful in online transactions, and stops them in real time. Keywords: fraud detection, identifying fraudulent activities, preventing payment fraud, real-time fraud protection. Example question: which AWS service helps detect and prevent fraudulent activities in online transactions or other interactions. Amazon Recognition Custom Labels. Earlier, we talked about recognition. Now, Recognition Custom Labels lets you train your own models to detect specific objects or custom labels in images. Keywords: custom image recognition, labeling specific objects in images, customizing object detection, training image models for specific tasks. Example question: which AWS service allows you to train custom models for detecting specific objects or labels in images? Amazon Elastic Inference. Need to speed up model inference, but don't want to break the bank? Use Amazon Elastic Inference. It lets you attach GPU-powered accelerators to your EC2 or SageMaker instances, reducing costs for inference. Keywords: optimizing inference costs, attaching GPUs for inference, accelerating model predictions, saving inference compute costs. Example question: which AWS service allows you to attach GPU-powered inference accelerators to EC2 instances or SageMaker to reduce inference costs? AWS Glue. Let's move to data preparation. AWS Glue is a fully managed ETL service. It also helps create a data catalog for analytics, or ML. Keywords: data catalog, ETL, extract, transform, load. Data preparation, data lake integration. Example question: which AWS service is used to extract, transform, and load data, as well as to create a catalog of data for analytics or machine learning? Amazon Neptune. For graph databases, we have Amazon Neptune. It stores and queries data relationships. Think social networks or knowledge graphs. Keywords: graph database, storing and querying graphs, relationships between data, social networks and knowledge graphs. Example question: which AWS service provides a managed graph database for storing and querying data relationships in social networks or knowledge graphs? Amazon CodeGuru. To review code and improve its quality, AWS offers Amazon CodeGuru. It uses ML to perform automated code reviews, flag bugs, and find security issues. Keywords: code reviews, improving code quality, automated code analysis, identify bugs and security issues. Example question: which AWS service provides machine learning-powered code reviews to identify bugs and security issues in software applications? Amazon Quicksight. For data visualization and reporting, there's Amazon Quicksight. It's a business intelligence tool that lets you build dashboards, reports, and visual analytics from your data. Keywords: business intelligence, data visualization, generate reports and dashboards, visual analytics. Example question: which AWS service provides business intelligence capabilities to generate reports, visualizations, and dashboards from data?